Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $3.0280. Okay, and there is a continuous downfall we have seen since 3 days. If you look at this particular chart, we have seen only one day we have seen it has gone upside. Otherwise, after making a half around $3.66, there is a continuous fall. Okay, you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, that this is the range, okay, where the price is moving in a zone of $3 and $2 for quite some time. Okay, now as soon as it moves out of this particular zone, it has made a half around 3.5 and a level of around 3.6. okay, because, and this is the level where I've already explained you that if it breaks a level of 3, there will be a probability it can touch a level of 3.5 and then a profit booking will come. You can see this level happened. After that, downfall has come, and after that, when it started moving upside, I've already explained you that if it touches a level of 3.2 after touching a level of $3, it can go further high because there is a clear pattern was forming. These two things. So after that, it made a F1 3.6, which was already explained you that once start going above this level, you have to be ready. The profit booking will come anytime. So it has come to that level, and now it is moving further down. Now if it has moved further low towards a level of around $3.020, and now it is in a zone of $3. Okay, so it is at a strong support of $3. So if it moves below that level, it will come again in a zone of $3 and $2. But if it bounce back again, so chances are very high that it can go further upside. But if it moves below a level of $3, then we can see it will come again in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, now you have to understand, looking at this particular chart. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high yes it will not sustain, because it has already moved below a level of $3.0528, which is a strong support. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move further down towards a level of $2.9951, and if it goes below that level, a further fall we can see towards $2.9335. okay, and once the price started falling below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 2.8009 is there. Okay, and if it moves below that particular zone, then we can see it will touch a level of around $2.5843. okay, again I repeat, if the price moves below a level of $2.9, chances of touching a level of 2.8 will be there, and from there a probability of touching a level of 2.5. Once the price started moving below 2.5, then we can see it will go towards a level of $2.4221. okay, and if it started going below that particular zone, then a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.261. okay, and chances will be very high it will move further low, because if you look at this particular pattern, if you go on a monthly basis chart, you will see that there is a clear pattern forming. If the price started falling again below a level of $2.8, a further fall we can see, and once started going below a level of 2.5, much of weighted further fall we can see, and a probability of touching a level of 2.1 also we can see, and then further low. But as I have already explained you that market is always uncertain. Okay, if people are saying that this news will affect this way and that way, okay, what you have to understand, it can affect the way you want. Okay, but it is not 100% sure, because market is uncertain. So if you are relying on SL, then it will save your capital, so that you can trade if you are wrong also. If you are trailing your SL, then your profit can be saved. These two things you can do. Whether you make profit or no, but your capital should be saved. That should be a motto. Okay. If you are saving your capital, then definitely you will make the profit in the future. Suppose it form a swing. What you can see, suppose it form a swing, we can see it can touch a level of around $3.0983, and if it goes above that level, we can see it will touch a level of $3.2143. okay, and once the price started going above that level, we can see it will go further upside, and a probability of going towards 3.35 will be there, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross a level of 3.573 also, which is also being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross a level of 3.6. Keep it in mind, as soon as touches the level of $3.2, a probability of crossing 3.5 will be there, and a probability of crossing 3.3 will be there, and then to a level of 3.5 will be there, and once started going over that level, a probability of crossing 3.6 is also there. Okay, so if it started going above that level, a probability of touching a level of 3.9 we can see, and from there this gap can be filled. So 4.1 to a level of 4.35, this is the gap which is still remaining, so chances are high if it touches a level of 3.9, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, now understand, you have to be careful because your capital you have to save. Suppose if you trade with 10k dollars, okay, try to allocate your capital. If you are trading for 5 times, suppose, so try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Take a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. All things these I teach in my workshop, so that your capital can be saved, you can make maximum profit. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.